what is going on with Bitcoin. Literally, it's just crazy at the moment. We have broke that support yesterday. We've now recovered, and the ironic thing is, how can we have this recovery? This is why you can just literally just start off this video by saying market manipulation at its finest. Yet again, we had this support test through, but we have negative news. Coinbase basically is getting sued by the SEC, and then a lot of people are saying that there is uncompliant or non-compliant situations going on with Binance at the moment, which is the number one exchange that's going on at the moment. So the SEC is suing Binance for mishandling billions of dollars. So it's funny because Gary Gensler and the whole entire SEC are just suing crypto because they want to. And the thing is, with the dollar at the moment, are they doing this to increase the dollar? Are they doing this to get exposure? I really don't know. All I do know for a fact is really ironic how all these key levels have paid absolutely to the T. So in today's video, we're going to go through the price prediction, key levels, and just a little bit of some overall potential setups on a lower time frame. I heard you on the last comments, you guys want to see more of like the daily time frames, the daily happenings, the daily price action. So I'm going to bring that to you in today's video. So let's get to it. So what's happening, guys? It's Dan Chung here, aka Champ, 600k verified funded trader. And what that means is basically companies and funded companies pass through their trials and they allocate money for me to trade for them as a trader. So verified and funded. So let's go through the current key levels that we've had on a Bitcoin at the current time. So currently we ended up pushing all the way onto the upside from the 20k mark, right? The 20k mark is a major key level because it's been tested multiple times in the past, which we can draw that support currently at the moment. And you can literally see that rectangle that I've drawn, prices touch here, all the way through here, and then again once more, and then shot all the way up onto the upside and hit our major key level at the 30.5k. 30k is kind of like the major key level, but 30.5 is basically the major all-time high. We're really struggling to break above the 30k, and what happened is we ended up pulling back, consolidating, and then we've got all this crazy show of theatrics going on at the moment with Bitcoin and the news and macroeconomics. And what's really interesting is there will always be some sort of fundamental news to drive the price of Bitcoin time and time again when it is at a key level. Whether it's people who, store and have the most amount of money and want to manipulate the price, or wherever it's just countries and governments just doing the matrix things to it, which I'm not going to go into, but just to try and potentially market manipulate is what we want to say. But look, it's one of those things, shoulda, woulda, coulda, and it doesn't matter. And so what if they are? And so what if we can prove that they are? We are here to make money and try and focus on the price action on the current instruments that we are trading. So we know that 20k has been established, 30k has been established, and we're kind of in this zone that's just, it's just all over the place, really and truly. And it's been in somewhat of a downward channel, which we can draw and identify right here. And in this downward channel, we really need to see a breakout. So in order to catch the next move, a breakout is due. The question is, are we going to break out onto the downside or onto the upside? I know it may sound silly, but I think some of you guys expect traders or influencers like us, who even professional traders like me, right, verified and funded, to have the answer, but we don't. What we do is we have a plan, we wait for it, and we execute on it, and we either lose money or make money. It's just that. It's simple. It's not as crazy as you think. We just got to be patient, and over a period of time, if you're consistent, you become fairly quite wealthy from it. So, by the way, guys, don't forget to check out our link in the description where there's $30 worth of airdrops, cash free for you guys, for our Coin Bureau partnership at Bybit. So up to $40,000 worth of bonuses. So go and check that out in the link in the description. Let's get back to the video. Right now, our major thing is just to see, are we going to break out of these zones? I mean, if we had to kind of look onto the lower time frame and look for some trades, we could get some trades on this support region right here. I think a more viable option would probably to get a breakout on this trend line, or even a breakout onto the downside as well, as soon as we have basically broke out of these areas and we trade out of these zones. As soon as we trade out of these zones, they are the kind of main key areas we want to be trading from. As soon as we go back onto the 4 hours, what we do want to see is we really want to see this break below 25k or break above 30k in the next couple of weeks or next couple of months. That is the major key level we must wait for and be prepared for, because as soon as it breaks 30k, we've got a whole lot of room to come all the way to 45k and 38k. And if we break below this 25k, we can come to 20k and 15k. So either way, the movement to the next levels are going to be quite sharp, and we want to be able to capitalize on that, because that large movement could be a potential large return of investment. So that is today's breakdown. You know, it's very interesting. A lot of things are going left, right, sideways. I don't know like what is going to happen, but I do know for a fact is I want to watch this channel. I've set an alert, and I just want to be patient to see what's going to happen next. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this daily update. We had one yesterday, had one today. It's been quite interesting. That's why I had to make these type of videos, and we're back with another learn and learn video tomorrow. All right, and I really look forward to seeing you guys on Saturday at our Coin Bureau live event. So don't forget to come and say hi to me. I will have a limited number of t-shirts. Just comment below, like, what are you looking for Bitcoin? Are you trading Bitcoin or Ethereum at the moment? Do you think you're going to go to bullish or bearish side? What's your consensus? Let me know. Show me the comment when you see me on Saturday, and I'll give you a t-shirt. All right, see you next one. Peace.